Namaste everyone. We will learn a 7-minute pranayam today called Anulom Vilom. This practice strengthens our Agya Chakra that is responsible for clarity of thought, a sharp intellect, creativity, and even intuition. This practice also balances both the sides of our personality, namely Ida and Pingala. Ida is the creative, meditative, and calm side, whereas Pingala is the intellectual, active, and passionate side. By the end of today's practice, you will feel a certain level of balance and harmony within. Let us start with the instructions. Please observe for now, don't practice with me. We will sit in a cross-legged posture. Place your left hand in your lap, form Nasika Mudra with your right hand. Your index and middle finger will be folded and all the other fingers will remain straight. Close your right nostril with your thumb and exhale from the left nostril. We will always begin the practice exhaling from the left nostril. Then inhale from left nostril and exhale from right nostril. Inhale from right and exhale from left. We will keep alternating the nostrils like this. We will begin the practice now. Sit in a comfortable posture. Place your left hand in the lap facing upwards. Form Nasika Mudra with your right hand. Close your eyes. Close your right nostril with your thumb and exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right nostril. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Please continue this practice at your own pace. Try to make your inhalation and exhalation slower. Slow down your breath. Inhale as slowly as possible and exhale as slowly as possible. Keep going. Two more minutes. One more minute. Complete the cycle and exhale from your left nostril. We will always end our practice by exhaling from the left nostril. Relax your right hand. Keep your eyes closed and stay in this silence for a few seconds. Bring your hands together. Rub your hands. Place them on your eyes. And very gently open your eyes. Thank you for your practice.